Yo, what's happening guys? It's your favorite chubby man Kiro himself here, and in today's video we got a banger coming out. In today's video we are gonna be doing something amazing. Well, it's not really that amazing, let me just tell you what it is. Basically, I bought a few tech items off of Temu.com. Random tech items on Temu, and in today's video we're gonna be unboxing all of them, and I'll also be explaining how some of them work. So this is basically a Temu haul for tech people, but a mini haul, let's say. So without wasting any of you boys' time, let's hop into this video. So here it is. This is all the stuff we got from Temu. Let me take it all out one by one, okay? And then we can do our unboxings and stuff like that. So like I'm saying, mini tech wall and whatever. Ooh, we can already see it's looking like and that's the mini haul. Let's have a look at each product one by one. So let's have a look at what we got. First of all is Nintendo DS sticks. Now I didn't just get the black one. I also got this red one, and this is for the 3DS. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. I got flosses. Obviously I know this is not the part of the tech wall, but anyway. Then I got this, and this is a PSP. This is now the PSP micro SD card, and that will be for the PSP. Basically you put it in here on the side. This is a Nintendo DS, I don't even know how to explain it to you. A DS thing, a R4 card basically for a Nintendo DS. I got the cover for Caitlin's phone. This is not for my phone, this is for Caitlin's phone. Then I got this box here as well. Don't worry, we'll unbox it, boys. As well as this box over here, and then a cover that's matching Caitlin's. This would be a cover for my phone that matches Caitlin's phone cover. Yeah, let's start with this. Let's start with this and what I suspect to be in here. So we're gonna open this up here, and this is obviously gonna be for my cell phone. I will take this off. Yeah, let's check it out on my cell phone, because my cell phone cover is quite scuffed and literally it's gone home. So basically this is my cell phone. As you can see here, it's crazy. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this side. Like, this thing is shambolic. Look at this, boys. This is completely gone home, and this was on my cell phone. So I'm gonna clean my phone off, and this is what my cover should look like. Oh, and it has nice bezels on. Fits my, oh, it fits so flush. My phone fingerprint, oh man, that's lekker. That's lekker. And now for what I think is in here. Let's do this unboxing here. I think I know what's in here. So yes, what I'm guessing is in here is correct. This is foam. How many did I get? 1, 2, what? 3. How lucky. I got the 3-pack of screen protectors for my phone. Let's take this out and see if I can install it on my phone. These are the privacy. As you can see how black it gets when the phone turns. These are the privacy screen protectors. I like using these because they are amazing. So let me just install this on my phone, and then I'll show you how it looks afterwards. And after all of that, this is how the phone is currently looking. So let's check on the side. Boom. The side. Boom. So privacy is working lekker. I don't know if you have privacy from the top. No, it's just the sides where you have lekker privacy, where no one can see your phone and stuff like that. So now that is lekker. Moving on to the next item, it would be these, but obviously this is going to be for Caitlin's phone, so I don't need to be unboxing that or taking it out. She can do that herself. This is probably a screen protector. I think this is a screen protector for her phone. Bro, this is a pack of 5. This is crazy. I didn't even expect this. These aren't the privacy ones. She's not a big fan of those ones. Look at this, man. Maybe I can just put one privacy on her phone. It won't. But I mean, these are the normal standard glass protectors, and it is a 5-pack of this, available on Temu for around about 40 something rand. Flossers, because why have a dirty mouth or dirty teeth when you can have fresh gums, fresh teeth, or whatever. We always use this, so I just bought us a whole 50-pack of them so that we always have of them. It was on our grocery list, but then I just decided, hey, I seen it on Temu, so let me just take this. The Nintendo pens. Okay, so this one is for Nintendo 3DS, and this is for my friend. But this one over here is for Kiro himself. So this touch pen is actually for the Nintendo DS Lite. I'm gonna power this on and have a look at how it is using this pen. I mean, this is the standard pen, so let's test the accuracy of the pen. That's amazing. That's a thumbs up for great. Yeah, so it works. The pen is amazing. I'm not touching as hard as I would with my finger. I'm just touching lightly with the pen, and the pen is picking up and it's working great. And then the test of tests, because this is from Temu, will it fit in this DS? 100%. There you go. Now the DS has a pen, and the same would occur, well, the same would happen for my Nintendo DS as well, as I have the exact same one, just the black version of it. And then, hey, while I have this DS here, I just thought about something, and that's to eject Caitlin's Bride's game. Anyway, remember, I just unboxed this now. I just took this out of the pack. If you don't know what this is a R4 card. Okay, this is a R4 card that is made for a Nintendo DS, basically to install homebrew, to hack it, to play unlimited free games. I will make a tutorial on this on my channel, so don't worry about that. If you do have a DS and you want to order from Temu, I will make a video on my channel for this. Make sure to like and sub to the channel below. So basically, you put in a memory card here that has a custom firmware on, and then it automatically, boom, just like a normal game. But then what you're gonna need to do is, this is for the PSP, the exact same thing. So basically, what you're gonna do when you do have custom firmware on your PSP, like how I do, well, this is not my PSP, it is my friend's PSP. You'll see here, it literally says custom firmware settings, and on the memory stick, if you go into memory stick, then you'll have a look at all the stuff I put on here, as well as games that is playable on here. But it only has a certain amount of storage, because this is a stock PSP memory card. Now this big boy comes and replaces that. What this is something that you can put your SD card inside of, that has an unlimited amount of PSP games with a 1 terabyte storage capacity. I'm joking. Maybe you want to go maybe 32 gigs or 64 gigs max, and then you fill it with PlayStation portable games as well as mods. So you know SmackDown versus Raw 2011, and you know the people that mod that game into 2K22, 2K24, as well as FIFA 13, FIFA 11, FIFA 14. They mod that PSP game into EAFC 25. I will have a tutorial on my channel regarding this. And for you guys who stuck until the very end of the video, I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. Thank you for showing this channel so much support, and we got more content coming this year. Obviously, as you can see, we've been making videos, we've been making bangers, and without all of you, as well as my Lord and personal Savior Jesus Christ, this wouldn't be possible. Thank you so much, boys, for watching my video. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.